everyone, Kasim here. If you're new, welcome. If you're not new, welcome back. In this video, we are going to talk about my trade setup. Now, I did a video a day or two ago, which I share with you my trading setup. I have it in the link below. You can go check it out. It's a step-by-step video of my setup and how you can have my setup. And the link will be right above here. It will pop up like right now, so you can check it out yourself. And basically, I turned that video. It's a 30 minutes long video. I'm turning it into a 3-clip video, so it should be like 6 to 10 minutes because I know people don't like watching long videos. So I want to turn it to a 6 to 10 minute video, so it's a more bite-sized chunk. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Let's get with that segment out of the way. What I want to show you is right here, right? This is the name. This is the name that I gave this chart because it is major key. Okay, this chart is seriously major key alert. You know, because this can make you a lot of money. But how do I get this to you? How do I get you to use this chart? Because this is the whole point of this video. Again, this is for people that already know about trading, that know about moving averages, that know about trading. Okay, this is for you. How do I get this chart that you're looking right here? How do I get this to you? So what I did was I saved this. If I go here into tools, I've saved them into segment, right? This one right here, this is the main one that I just showed you right now. This one right here, main grid. This is the main one right here. And this link, matter of fact, this 3 link will be in the description for you to copy it. And this video is to show you how to put it on your TD Ameritrade Thinkorswim so you can start using this particular setup if you're interested in using it. Because I know every trader is different, everybody use different setup, but I really think this is such a simple setup for everybody to just look at and be able to get what's going on in the stock. And as you know, trading is a fast-paced game. If you're able to get into a trade without hesitating and without too much analysis, you already have an edge on the market. So how do I get this to you? What I did was I saved this old grid, and then I have the link here, right? I have the links here. I will have it in the description. So if you go in the description and you copy the one that says main grid, you copy the link, which would be this one right here. So yeah, if you copy this link, it will be in the description, like I said. Copy the link, and then what you need to do is you go back to your own TD Ameritrade charts. And then you go up here and go to setup, and then what you now do is open shared item. So you go to setup. Let me do this one more time. You go to setup and you go to open shared item, and then what you do is the link that is called main grid, you copy it, and then you use the keyboard. I think you use Command C for Command V for Apple computer, because I have an Apple computer. And if you have Windows, I don't know what you use, but Google what you can use with your keyboard to copy and paste, because it won't let you right click and paste. So you have to use the keyboard to paste the link. But copy the link that says main grid. It will be in the description. Copy the link that says main grid, and then you post it here and use your keyboard to post it. Once you post it, you do import. Now once you import it, it's going to ask you a question. Oh, are you sure you want to change your setup? And you can say yes. If you want to change setup and use this my setup here, you can say yes. Obviously save your own setup just in case you need to go back to it. Save it. If you need to save the setup, you just go here and you click save grid right here, and you're able to name it whatever name you want to name it and save it. But yeah, that is how you get this grid. onto your own Thinkorswim platform. Again, you're gonna go to setup, and you're gonna go to open shared item, and then you're gonna go down in the description of this video and click on the link that says, this link right here, this one that says main grid Kasim Bada. This link, copy that link, copy this link, go to setup and go to open main grid, and this link that you're watching right here, you copy and paste it in here and go import. When you go to import, it's going to basically show you this setup right here. Now I'm mainly, this is the time frame that I use. This is the time frame that I use. So if you want, you can go to custom and be able to set that up. I don't know if I can share this. I'm going to look into it after the video. If I can share my time frame, I'll share it as well. So you can use it if you want to use it. But these are the time frame that I use. Right now I'm on the 1 day 7 minute, and as you can see, if you were able to get into the trade as the momentum start pushing up, the TT squeeze indicating that yes, this is an uptrend. And obviously right here, this is the MACD crossover divergent indicator, crosses over, or the EMA also crosses over. This right here is straight up money. If you're able to capture this move, this is a good trade, right? And then as you can see, the momentum fell off a bit. Momentum fell up a bit, and then it started picking back up. At this point, it started picking back up here, and we had a pretty good day. So this is the main grid. So if you go in the description and you check out the main grid, this is how you are going to have it. Okay, so let's go to the next if you enjoyed that clip, hope you've learned a lot from it. If you want to watch the full version of that video, you can click on the I button right above this video that you're watching, and you can watch the full length video. It's right there. And thank you for watching the video again. Subscribe, like this video if you like what I'm doing here. Stick around. I'll be bringing a lot more content for you, so we can all improve our financial situation. Maybe quit a job one day and be able to trade and invest and do other things. So stick around, like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Thanks. Bye.